to get this working. I told you that I was going to pick you up and we were going to get in the ride where legends have ridden, the little Bentley, and we're going to go ahead and go over and get this work in. Today I'm going to take you through some layups, like some finishing, some different ways, and then we're just going to talk about really just your footwork and how to get to the basket off your footwork, playing off 2 feet mostly. As much as you want to come in the gym and shoot, we're not doing that today. We're just going to get those layups in, we're going to get that work in, and then we're going to be on our way. Today's takeaway from the workout is going to be, how can I become a better finisher? A lot of us are shorter players, and we want to make sure we can finish over these super athletic beings that are playing this game of basketball now. So you want to make sure that you are focusing on the most important piece, and that is becoming a very good finisher. All right, we're here. Let's get it. Come on. You're going to suit up, you're going to lace up, and then this is where we at. We're right here on this court right over here. All right, so let's do it. Let's work. All right, I hope you are ready to go. Hope you warmed up. You know, you got your high knees, you got your lunges, you got your sumo squats, you got your jumping jacks, you got a like easy jog, you got a back pedal, you got all kinds of stuff that you can do. I'm giving you some stuff on the channel so you can go check out some of our first workouts, and then you can go do that, all right? So I'm ready to rock, okay? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go through our warm-up layups, okay? So remember, when we do that, we're gonna go regular layup, we're gonna go off 2, we're gonna go inside hand, we're gonna go same leg, we're gonna go reverse, reverse, okay? We're gonna keep it real simple this morning since it's the first day, and you're probably still getting a little white boogers out your eyes, all right? Here we go. First one here, lay up, go. You got next, go, you got next, go, go, go. Okay, boom. Now, come in, go, boom, here we go, easy, easy, you got next, go. Make sure we go, go, we're moving, we're moving, we're moving. All right, here we go. Ready to land again, okay? Here we go, here we go, you got it, you got it, you got it. All right, here we go, jump stop, jump stop, jump stop. Boom. That's good, good, good. And now we go inside here. 2 of them, inside. Boom, now you time flat, flat. Let's go. Good time, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom, boom. Got it inside the thing, all right? So that was 2, we're gonna do 2 each, just to get you warm. Now we're going same leg, okay? Throwing it up high off the glass, Remember, it's just a warm-up, okay? So if you're missing, don't worry about it. If you're getting a little gassed, you know, slow it down a little bit, but work on the footwork, okay? You're just trying to get the movements going. All right, here we go. Same leg again, boom, okay? Got the same leg there, all right? Now, remember, we're going reverse, okay? Reverse. Inside hand, though, inside hand. So come here, boom, reverse it inside hand, okay? Here we go. Make sure you use that backboard. I didn't. Here we go. Hand, boom, using that backboard, inside hand, good. Okay, now we got an outside hand, no move. Working on footwork, working on the layup. Working on footwork, working on the layup. All right? In the comments, if you're having trouble, with any of these, as far as footwork and how to make the layup, I'll break it down for you too, so just let me know. All right? Now we're gonna go left side, okay? I'm already ready. I don't know if you see it, but I'm ready to go. So I'm just trying to take you through it. We're gonna go through a whole workout, okay? So here we go. Left side, let's get it. Left side. Boom, here, regular layup. Here we go. Boom, one more time, regular layup. Good, okay? Now, jump stop. Boom, right here. Okay, get it up. I don't jump, but you jump, okay? Boom, here, boom, okay? Biggest thing when we're warming up, keep that ball high, all right? Here we go, keep that ball high, inside hand finish, keep that ball high, inside hand finish, boom, keep that ball high, inside hand finish, good job, you can finish overhand, you can finish underhand, whichever one you want. We got same leg, here, boom, throwing it up high on the glass, coming off the same leg. If you miss it, so what? Boom, same leg again, finish it, okay? Now we got that reverse, inside hand first, so move to the left. When you come in here, keep it high, left hand, okay, left hand. Keep it high, left hand. Going again, boom, keep it high, left hand, okay, left hand. You're gonna miss shots, don't worry about it. Now we got outside hand on the hand. Keep it high, outside, okay? Keep it high, outside. One more time. Here, get high, outside. Good. Okay, so now, heart rate's moving. We're ready to go. We're a little warmed up. We're gonna shoot 2 free throws real quick. At the free throw line, is where you catch your breath a little bit. Take your time, take it easy. Nice. Okay. Nice and easy. Calm down the shot. Get ready to prepare yourself for the workout. Get ready to prepare yourself for the workout. Boom. Knock them both down. Now we're gonna go to the baseline. We're gonna work some handle to where we're gonna push the basketball. Then we're gonna work our finishes. Then we're gonna start at the baseline again. We're gonna work our handle coming up, and we're gonna do some different finishes there. And now I'm at the baseline. Start on the left side first. Everybody wants to start on. Okay? We're gonna go up. Okay? Our first one's gonna be a crossover here. Okay? I want you to finish off with 2 feet. Finish off with 2 feet. All right? So that was just the example. That was just the example. Now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna go. Boom. Here. Oh. See, I make mistakes. Crossover. Here we go. Boom. Step. Cross. Keep it high. Finish. Okay? Again. Come again. Work on the step here. Boom. Work on the cross. Keep it high. Boom. Okay? Make sure you're going. Make sure you're going. Don't just watch me. Don't just watch me. Make sure you're going. Okay? So now we're going to work the hands again. Same jump shot, same finish. We're going through the legs. That step is important. Boom. Step here. Now I'm stepping forward. Okay? Bang. Finishing that leg. Here we go. Coming again. Making that step. Boom. Bang. Boom. Okay? I'm just throwing the leg up to show you. Go high on the glass every time. Okay? Now we're going to go behind the back. Working that same step. I'm coming in. I'm stepping. Going behind. Keep it high. Boom. Okay? One more time. Here I come. Boom. Going high. Hey. Boom. Okay? You got it? Perfect. Yeah, if you start to get tired, it's okay. Just go to the free throw line one time. That way you're working on your free throws too. Just remember, everything is real easy. Make sure you're really the free throw line and placing just anything else. Knock that shot down. Okay? Now we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. Same moves, same everything. I'm really concerned with your speed and how you approach the finish. Okay, so now we're here. We're working that step, we're working that cross. Keep it high. Boom, finish. Okay, here we go. Again, we're going to do it twice. Boom, here. Working that step, working that cross. High. Boom. All right, here we go. Going again, now we're going to the legs. Pause that step. There you go. Boom. Jump stop. Finish here. Okay? One more time. One more time. Come again. Take that step. Going through. Jump stop. Boom. Finish. Good. Okay? Make sure you're going. Here we go. I'm going. Now we go behind the back. I'm here. Jump stop. Keep it high. Finish. Okay? One more time. Coming. Behind. Keep it high. Boom. Okay? Very simple, very easy, right? Very easy. Getting back to the free throw line again. Taking your time, take a deep breath, line up, right? Very good. Now, again, just take your time. If you want to do it to where you make it, that's okay, all right? But you got to keep going. You got to keep going, okay? Don't put your head down because you missed. Don't do this and let the ball roll. Your mistakes are gonna be made before you even play. Every morning before you come in here with me, you're gonna miss a lot of shots. You're gonna lose the ball. You're gonna do the move wrong. So what? The only people that are working and see it right now are me and you. So now, when you get to the game and you do it right, and you shake somebody, you get that ooh, make sure you get that ooh again instead of that ah. Because the ah usually means you missed or you lost the ball, okay? All right, so now we're coming from the baseline with that same attack, but now we're going to use our 2-foot jump stop to kind of misdirect and finish. Okay? So, coming up, using those same moves again. Okay? I'm coming across. Okay? When I come to the cross here, I'm gonna stop to the cross from key, keeping it high and finish. Alright, so going fast, just giving you 2 of them. I'm coming here, pull across, I'm big, I'm here, I finish. Okay? One more time, I'm coming. Boom, across, big, here, I finish. Okay, same thing going to the leg. Come here, boom, okay? Uh-oh, boom, there it is. Boom, there it is. Okay. One more time. Take that step. Boom, I feel, boom, here, and I finish. Okay? Going behind the back, same thing. I'm here, boom, I go behind, boom, feel, finish. Okay, now you get to the other side of the ring. Some of the younger people won't be able to. If you're older, boom, you'll be able to get to the other side of the ring and finish that here. Okay? So that's what that would look like. So you want to try that? Just one more time. Boom, I'm here. I break down here. See him? I get across. I finish wide. And then I finish high. Okay? So you can work that too. Alright, let's get these free throws in real quick. Go 2 this time. So she's doing a little bit more move. So first one down. Okay? Then we got the second one down right now. We'll get water after this. We'll get water after this. I'll talk to you. Boom. Okay? Alright. So make sure you make both. And then after this, we'll get water. All right, so let's do that. Right side. On the right side, coming down, same thing. Again, it's very simple. Very simple, so we're keeping it simple. So I'm here, I cross, I see it early. Finish, okay? You don't want to go down too low. If you go down too low, you're going to get caught in a bad situation. And with the scoring mentality, you're not in pass mode, so your footwork's going to be bad. If I get to this point right here, where I get too low, and I kind of jump stop the score and I can't do anything, I'm stuck, and they're counting 3 seconds. So you don't want to get stuck too low, you want to be high, right? Around that white line, right? You might not have that white line at home, but you want to be a little bit in the middle of the key almost when you make that decision. Okay, so we're going to go crossover one more time, and then we'll do it. All right, here we go. So I'm here, boom, I'm crossing, I'm here, I'm keeping it away, keeping it high. All right, good job. Now, same thing, we're going to the leg. All right, here we go. Use that left hand though, because the drill doesn't work if you don't have it in your left. Boom, here, boom, keeping it high. All right, just showing you, just showing you. I don't need to make a music. Here we go. Here, boom, high. There we go. Okay? So, now we're going again. Now we're going behind the back. Boom, next step, high. Boom, here. I'm finishing. Okay? Here we go. One more. Come again. Boom, I see it. I'm throwing my hand down. I'm finishing with the left. Alright? Perfect. So, we got all those out the way. Here we go. Free throw line again. Then we got water. Okay, shooting it high. High, because when you start to get tired, the thing is going to be short. So we want to make sure we shoot high and finish. Boom. Very good. Even when it's bad, it's going to look good. Even when it's bad, it's going to look good. Okay? Great job. Let's go. Get a little bit of water real quick. I'll talk to you. Whew. Okay. So, quick water break. Basically, what I always will do when you're getting water is just talk to you a little bit, continue to inspire you, continue to help you get through the workout. Especially if you're still doing it right now and the video's playing and you kind of hear me talking, it'll probably get you through the last 1 or 2 reps. But the biggest thing is, again, when you're attacking, you want to go strong, you want to go under control and balanced, because you're going to have to make counters, right? These moves work once or twice, but then once a defense knows what you're doing, there's help coming. Guys are anticipating early. So the decision making has to be either earlier with your dribble, you have to shorten your dribble, you have to hang your dribble. There's all these different variables that you have to have when attacking. But mainly what I want you to focus on before when we get back out there is just your balance and your speed that you're going, so that it
kind of mimics the game, even though it doesn't because you're going by yourself, but you still want to go at a speed to where you're almost out of control so that you can gain the control. So I hope all that makes sense. I know when you're drinking water and you're breathing hard, it's hard to hear, so you can always play it back. All right, let's get back to work. Let's go. Now, I know you want to shoot, and we'll get to that point, and we're going to keep all our shooting within the key. But first, I'm going to just do our pickups and like more of our runs instead of playing off two. Okay, so we're going to pick it up and go across the key. All right, so again, I've done all of this on the channel. So if you need more explanation on it, I'm talking on the channel about it. So we're going to come here again, okay, same thing. We're coming, we're crossing over. As soon as we get to this spot, instead of jump stopping and playing under control, we got to play fast. So we're going to pick that ball up, we're going to keep it high, we're going to finish, okay? And again, if you're younger, you're not strong enough to keep it high and finish at the same time, you can pick it up here, you can touch that basketball, and then you can kind of wrap it up that way. Okay, so either one of those is going to work for you, all right? So here we go. So I'm coming this way, boom, I got my cross, boom, I'm picking it up high, finishing off the same leg. You got that? One time. Okay, so I'm coming here, boom, cross over, boom, pick it up high, finish off the same leg. I just want to slow it down so you see the same leg. All right, here we go. For the youngins, it's going to be across here, pick up, off the same leg. All right, for my youngins, one more time, we're going to cross over, pick it up, boom, let that thing come from your hip, and finish it high. All right, now we're going to do the legs, same concept. You really got to get 2 hands on it. They're going to come quick. You might not have a handle on it. So you want to make sure you finish. Here again, through, boom, now, finish off that same leg. Good, okay? One more time, go ahead and finish it. Now we got the back. Boom, here, hey, get off me. Boom, let's go. One more. Then we're going to go to that free line again. Hey, pick up. Boom. Here we go. Free throw line real quick. Just one. Then we get right back to it. Woo. All right, let's go. Come on. Look, man, I'm only here to motivate, okay? So it's not about whether I make every shot or if I can do every move. As long as I'm showing you and you're learning, that's what we're doing. Okay? Here we go. Let's do it. So we're coming here again. Remember, we're stepping just to work on the step, the whole sail of the move. Boom, across here, picking up high, finishing off the same foot. Okay? Throwing the timing off of the defender ready to block shots. Okay, here we go. Crossing over again, pick it up, here, boom. Okay? Finishing a little bit better with my left than my right today. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. Boom. Here, for my duckies. Tuck it, finish. Can you finish with your inside hand too? Yes. Yes, you can. So for those who don't like using the left, you can come here. You can finish like that too if you want. Doesn't matter. We're going to finish. That's the goal. Boom. Hey, here. Boom. You can do it that way. Or you can come here, behind, keep it high, finish. Okay? Here we go. Free throws. Let's do it. Right back to it. Boom, I need it. Whoa. I just looked at the time and we gotta go, but I'm gonna get back with you tomorrow. Remember, you're gonna finish the other side on those shots, and then again, finish with 10 free throws. Make sure you take your time on the free throws, make sure everything is buttered. Hey, basketball youth, thank you for coming through to the workout, and remember, someone's always working. Are you?